je partage avec vous une motivation, ménage et organisation de la maison. Il y avait beaucoup de bordel un peu au niveau de mon salon. Sur le canapé, il y avait des choses qui traînaient un peu partout. Donc aujourd'hui, je vous prends pour une nouvelle vidéo de rangement au niveau du salon et un peu aussi dans la cuisine. Je vais organiser, nettoyer, arranger la table. Voilà, c'est un peu le bordel aujourd'hui. Donc, je veux partager avec vous cette organisation, rangement de la maison. Alors, pareil pour ma chambre aussi, il y a des vêtements partout sur le lit. Il y a beaucoup de désordre au niveau de ma chambre, rare que ça arrive. C'est aussi une grosse baisse d'énergie, donc du coup, voilà pourquoi voilà, c'est un peu la cata. Je vais faire la motivation ménage dans la chambre, nettoyer, désencombrer, placer toutes les choses à leur place, remettre un peu d'ordre chez moi. Voilà. Chez moi, je nettoyais aussi l'entrée, donc ce n'est pas vraiment très sale l'entrée. Je n'ai pas beaucoup de choses que j'ai à l'entrée, donc je vais quand même la nettoyer, passer l'aspirateur et la serpillière pour tout remettre en ordre. Alors, je vais changer de couverture au niveau du lit, mais je préfère commencer aujourd'hui euh, cette vidéo au niveau du salon parce que je trouvais que c'était beaucoup plus facile et je ne sais pas pour quelle raison, je trouve que c'est beaucoup plus facile pour moi. On va commencer ici dans le salon.
Morning comes and night messed up again. Cause we're doing everything wrong. I don't know and I don't understand. When we fight somehow we always make up. Threatened by a breakup. Is this how we're gonna fade it out? Cause we are the way we are. We'll never change. Yes, we've been here before. Cause we scream, fight, hate, cry. No one's ever backing down. Yeah, we do it. Everything wrong. Yeah, we ruin everything. When we push, slam, throw, damn, we're hurting, but we're just too scared. So we do it. Everything wrong. Yeah, we ruin everything. Stop. You and I so different yet alike. We are always on the edge when we love. Our hearts are open wide. But when we hate, it's like a big explosion, shaking our devotion. How we ever gonna figure out how to be without defeating ourselves? It's going on too long. Cause we scream, fight, hate, cry. No one's ever backing down. Yeah, we do it. Everything wrong. Yeah, we ruin everything. When we push, slam, throw, damn, we're hurting, but we're just too scared. So we do it. Everything wrong. Yeah, we ruin everything. Starting over every time, again and again. And no one's ever backing down. Yeah, we do it. Everything wrong. Yeah, we ruin everything. Yeah, we do it. Everything wrong. Cause we scream, fight, hate, cry. No one's ever backing down. Yeah, we do it. Everything wrong. Yeah, we ruin everything. When we push, slam, throw, damn, we're hurting, but we're just too scared. So we do it. Everything wrong. Yeah, we ruin everything. Cause we scream, fight, hate, cry. No one's ever backing down. Yeah, we do it. Everything wrong. Yeah, we ruin everything. When we push, slam, throw, damn, we're hurting, but we're just too scared. So we do it. Everything wrong. Yeah, we ruin everything. Stop.
Spending time far away,
was never what I meant to do for us. Even though you're okay, I wish that I could give you all of me for you to save. When it gets dark, I'll take the blame for what we are. I'm not sure that we can keep getting robbed of emotion. Bide our time and proceed. Calculate in the equation. Spending time on my own. Oh, you never that to answer on your phone. Even though you're alone, I wish that I could hear the words for me to carry on my own, to get me home to where I belong. No, I'm not sure that we can keep getting robbed of emotion. Bide our time and proceed to calculate on the equation. All this time that we bleed to keep getting robbed of emotion. Lives fly by as we proceed to calculate, solve the equation. I'm not sure. Spending time far away was never what I meant to do for us. Even though you're okay, I wish that I could give you all of me for you to see. I'm not sure that we can keep getting robbed of emotion. Bide our time and proceed to calculate in the equation. All this time that we bleed to keep getting robbed of emotion. Lives fly by as we proceed to calculate, solve the equation. You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the without you, and I couldn't really make you stay, so what to do? I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself. Now and then I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the when the sun goes up, it might be the last day of you and me. You're lying next to me with heavy eyes, while I shiver inside with a heavy heart. I know what I've done, and I'm too afraid to let it go. If I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would Would turn back time if I could. I would take it all back if I could. I would bring back all the memories, not yours only in my dream. Oh, if I could. Oh, if I could. Oh, if I could. I've been around, you've stayed away. Oh, I won't let it show. You got a hold on me. I remember the sound of us being loud. So loud, so loud. Just wonder where you're walking and talking, thinking, are you the same? Wonder how you're doing and